Hello, curious minds. Come close and let the noise of the day soften for a moment. Breathe in slowly, breathe out gently. You have arrived exactly where you were meant to be. This month, the sky prepares something rare and tender for us. On August 28th, 2026, the moon slips into shadow beneath a lunar eclipse in Aquarius, resting under the healing light of Shatabhisha star. It is a quiet, sacred pause in the turning of the heavens, a moment when the world grows still and the soul is invited inward. Wherever you are, however your week is felt, welcome. Let this be a place to exhale. As the moon dims beneath the eclipse, something old within us is offered the chance to rest. Aquarius carries the scent of wide skies and distant stars. It asks us to step back from the storm of feeling and see our lives from a gentler height. Shatabhisha, the star of 100 healers, spreads its quiet medicine across this eclipse, whispering that what has weighed on the heart may finally be set down. Above the sun rests in Leo, warm and dignified, even as it too moves through its own veiling. This is not a sky of loss, it is a sky of release. A lantern dims only so that a softer, steadier light can be lit within. This is a time to loosen your grip on old stories, to let tides of feeling rise and then recede, to trust that the mind, like the moon, always returns to its fullness. Now, let us walk together through the 12 lanterns of the Zodiac and hear what the cosmos gently wishes to say to you. This eclipse asks you to lower your sword for a while, dear Aries, and simply rest in stillness. A lantern is placed not ahead of you, but within you, lighting the quiet room where old urgency has lived too long. Let the fire that drives you burn softer this week, warming rather than rushing. In the hush beneath the shadowed moon, you are allowed to simply be without needing to prove or push. Peace, too, is a kind of courage. Beneath this healing eclipse, Taurus, the earth beneath your feet grows a little softer, a little more forgiving. Old attachments to comfort, to certainty, to what once felt safe, may loosen their grip like petals letting go of a stem. Do not fear this unfastening. It makes room for a steadier kind of ground. Let the tides carry away what you no longer need to hold. What remains will be truly yours. Your mind, so often a sky full of many winds, is invited into quiet this week, dear Gemini. The eclipse dims the noise of thought and opens a small, sacred silence between your questions. In this hush, listen, not for answers, but for the feeling beneath them. A single truth spoken softly can outweigh 1,000 racing thoughts. Let your breath become the pause you've been searching for. Moonchild, this eclipse touches you with particular tenderness. As the moon veils herself, you are asked to turn that same gentle covering toward your own tender heart, to protect it, to soothe it, rather than expose it to every passing wave. Old family patterns and inherited heaviness may rise softly to the surface, not to wound you, but to finally be released. Let starlight settle over what has ached. You are allowed to feel safe again. Even as your ruling sun moves through its own quiet veiling, Leo, your inner light does not go out. It simply turns inward for a while. This is a time to release old versions of yourself that no longer fit, gently, without drama or grief. Beneath the eclipse, dignity is not found in being seen, but in being true. Let a softer flame guide you now, one that warms rather than performs. Your brightness will return, deepened. Dear Virgo, this eclipse offers you permission to set down the endless list of what must be fixed, sorted, or perfected. In the quiet beneath the shadowed moon, let your healing be less about doing and more about simply allowing. Old patterns of self-criticism may surface gently, asking only to be witnessed with compassion, not corrected. Breathe. You are already enough beneath the noise of trying. The scales within you are invited to rest in stillness this week, Libra, rather than constantly seeking balance through others. This eclipse opens a path toward inner harmony, one that does not depend on approval or agreement, but on your own quiet center. Old patterns of people-pleasing may loosen like a held breath finally released. Let the tide settle. Peace was always yours to give yourself first. Scorpio, you know the beauty of shadow better than most, and this eclipse speaks your language of transformation. What has been buried? An old wound, an old fear, an old loyalty that no longer serves you, is gently illuminated by Shatabhisha's healing light, not to expose you, but to free you. Let it rise. Let it be witnessed. Let it go. From this quiet death of the old, something steadier is born. Dear Wanderer, this eclipse asks you to pause your journey outward and turn, just for a while, toward the quiet path within. Old beliefs that once guided you may soften, making room for a wiser, gentler truth to take root. There is no need to chase the horizon this week. The answers you seek are resting closer than you think, beneath the calm of your own breath. Let stillness be its own kind of adventure. Capricorn, even the steadiest mountain needs a season of quiet. This eclipse gently loosens the weight of old responsibilities and inherited burdens you may have carried longer than was ever asked of you. Beneath Shatabhisha's healing light, you are invited to rest without guilt, to release without collapsing. What remains standing after this quiet unburdening will be lighter, truer, and entirely your own. Dear Aquarius, this eclipse unfolds in your own sign, and its light is spoken directly to you. This is a profound moment of release. Old identities, old expectations, old versions of yourself gently dissolving beneath the veiled moon. You do not need to have it all figured out. Let this be a sacred unlearning, a soft return to the truest shape of who you are becoming. The stars are simply asking you to trust the quiet. Gentle dreamer, this eclipse moves like a tide through the deep waters of your inner world. Old emotional currents, grief, longing, ancestral echoes may rise softly to the surface, asking only to be held rather than fixed. Let yourself float rather than swim against them. Shatabhisha's healing light moves through water especially tenderly, offering cleansing without force. You are safe to feel everything, and safe to let it pass. And so, dear souls, as this Aquarius Shatabhisha eclipse settles quietly into the sky, may you carry its gentlest gift forward, permission to release what no longer serves you, and to trust the steady return of your own light. Whatever star you were born beneath, may this be a season of calm minds, softened hearts, and steadier paths. May old burdens grow lighter with each breath, and may divine grace walk quietly beside you. Until we meet again beneath the stars, may you feel held, may you feel whole, and may the cosmos wrap around you now like a soft and knowing hug. Good night, gentle wanderers. The sky is always watching over you.